class for EVS. We'll start with chapter 7, that is eating together. Okay, now see. Indian food is famous all over the world. Now, food of India eat a wide variety of people of India eat a wide variety of food. Now, famous Indian food is famous all over the world, and people of India eat a wide variety of food. Now, they cook special dishes on different occasions also. Now see, food eaten in different region. Now different regions eat different type of food depending on the weather, climate. Now see, food habits of people of a region depend on the crop grown and the climate condition of that region. Depend on the what? Crops grown and the climate condition. The taste and flavor of the food varies from region to region. Now see, North Indian food. In Kashmir, almost all dishes are prepared with rice. For example, rajma rice. Okay, rajma rice is one dish in Kashmir. Okay, now next, in Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, chapati is a staple food, the main food such as dal makhani, sarson da saag, khichdi, paneer, sarson da saag, kadhai paneer are favorite foods of the people of this region. Now, West Indian food. Now, in region of West India, okay, in region of West India. Now, see, in West Indian food, achar, okay, achar, that is pickle, okay, achar are used as substitute for the relative lack of fresh vegetable. Okay, West India, the lack of vegetables, so achar is used as lack of vegetables in desert area. People in Rajasthan add a lot of spices to their food. Bombay duck and pomfret are the popular variety of fish eaten in food in the coastal areas. Now, pav bhaji, next is vindaloo, etc. are other famous West Indian dishes. Okay, West Indian dishes. Now see. Next, East Indian food, that is the staple food, main food of the Bengali people. East India is Bengali people live in the coastal areas in the combination of rice and fish curry. Sweets prepared using milk like rasgulla, sandesh, cham-cham and many more are very popular in Bengal. People from the northeast generally eat rice, fish, meat and pork. Okay, because they generally eat rice, meat, fish and pork. Now, South Indian food. In South India, fish and coconut are commonly used in most of the dishes. Okay, in Kerala, some of the delicious dishes are lamb stew, okay, and uttapam, fried prawns, idlis, dosas, fish molis, and rice puttu. These are name of the some foods eaten in South Indian food. Okay, now this one you can do. Okay. Now, stew. What is stew? Stew is a dish made of meat and vegetable cooked slowly in a liquid closed dish or pan. Okay. Next, festival dishes. People of India celebrate many festivals throughout the year. Special food dishes are cooked on these festivals. Various religious practices also influence the type of food prepared on a particular festival. Let us learn about some of the special food cooked during the festivals. Now, festival dishes, the dishes that are made during the festivals, are called festival dishes. Now see, Makar Sankranti is this festival. Now see, what dishes made in Makar Sankranti? During this festival, the most commonly eaten food is sweet made with sesame seed. Sesame means til. Okay, sesame seeds and jaggery. Jaggery is gur. Jaggery means gur. Rice is cooked with milk, sugar and sugar drops. Okay, jaggery is a dark crude sugar made from dates. Jaggery is what? Dark crude sugar made from dates. Now, what we can see in Makar Sankranti, what is used? Okay, sweets made with sesame seeds and jaggery. That is the main food. Now, next, Shivratri. The beverage popular on Shivratri, Thandai. That is called Thandai. What is Thandai? Thandai is a drink made with milk, almond and hemp seed. Okay. Next is Holi. Delicacies eaten during these festivals include Malpua. You have heard of the food Malpua. So during Holi, Malpua, Puran Puli, okay, and gujiyas are eaten. Especially they are eaten. They are first offered to the deity, that is to the god, and then served to everyone throughout the day. Okay. Now Durga Puja. During Durga Puja, what is eaten? and okay, moong dal khichdi and chorchori and payesh and tomato chutney prepared by Bengalis are the highlights of this festival, okay, during Durga Puja. Now Diwali, during Diwali is what? Sweets are made on a large scale. Lots of sweets are made because people greet each other on Happy Diwali, they say, and they exchange sweets, okay. Next, Eid. Eid ul Fitr, okay, is also called the Sevayan Eid. The reason behind this is that on this day delicious sevai is cooked. Sevais are cooked, flavored with saffron and dry fruits. On Eid ul Zuha, that is Bakrid, it is also called Bakrid, meat based dishes also made. That is the most popular meat based dish is biryani. Yes. Next, name the dishes that you eat on the different following festivals. You please do this one. Dishes made on the following: Holi, what dish you eat? Durga Puja, Diwali, Eid and Makar Sankranti. Okay. Next, community eating. What is community eating? Now see. Common meals and parties are organized during special occasions like wedding and birthdays. Okay, all of you meet together and common meal is there. You eat together. It is the time when we enjoy sharing meals with entire family. Entire family is there and you share the meal, entire family and friends. Food enhance the festive mood of on the occasion. Sharing meals also promote friendship and mutual affection. When a large number of people share and eat food together outside of their family, this is called community eating. Large number of people share food together outside their family is known as community eating. Now langar. See, one of the type of community eating is langar. Now what is langar? See, Guru Ka Langar serves by the community in many ways. It ensures the participation of Sikhs. It is a Sikh festival langar. Okay, it is langar means all people sit together and foods are served. That is called langar. Sikhs in a task of serving the mankind. It means food are given. All of you sit together. Many people sit together and Sikhs they serve the food. That is called langar. That is basically in Gurudwara they are given. Langar also teaches the etiquette of eating with the community. It teaches etiquette means teaches that eating with community is how should we eat with people of other community, and it is good to eat with people of other community, which play a great part in the upholding the virtues of equality of all human beings. And this also teaches that all human beings are equal, whether they are Sikh, Hindus, Muslims, everyone are equal. Okay, so we should eat together and all religion are equal. Okay, this teaches. Midday meal provided by the government. Now see, midday meal provides. What is midday meal? Midday meal provide midday meal. Many schools provide midday meal to their students. Many children in our country are unable to get nutritious food. That is food that is very much nutrition, means food that is that which has vitamins, minerals and proteins. Okay, they don't get food with all this type of. They are not able to get food with nutritious food. That means in order to help them, the government has made midday meal. Government has made a scheme of midday meal. For whom? Meals that is compulsory in primary and upper school. Government primary and upper school meals are compulsory. You have to eat the midday meal that is provided from the school. Okay, to get what? To get a nutritious food. Children get to eat a variety of food due to this program, and then in schools every day they are getting a variety of food. Okay. Now next, mess in a boarding school. Now, how is the mess? Mess also in a boarding school you have mess where you eat together. In a mess, all students are provided the same kind of food at fixed time with fixed food items. Same kind of fixed time and fixed food items. The same items will be given at the same time to a number of students. The quality of food is ensured by the students, by the school authority. The quality of food and the student authority will make type of quality of food. Now, it has to be nutritious and hygienic. It has to be full of nutrition, should be there in the food, and should be hygienic, means healthy food should be there. Mess serve different kind of food to students so that students get to know about the variety of food from various states of country. Different type of foods are served, so different kind of states food are served. So they come to know about different types of food. Students, the children learn to eat all the food items that are served. So the children they learn to eat all the food items that are served. Okay, from this. State whether the following true and false. This also you can do. This is the word meanings of community eating and meals. Okay, now I will give you the question answers and I'll fill the blanks and match the following you can do homework. Okay, for today this much. Thank you.